In this demo, you'll be learning how to convert an existing database instance into a high availability database. So the first thing we're going to check is that if when we enable multi-AZ, we're going to get a mirroring or an always on availability group. So let's execute this query on the RDS database instance. So I got permission denied because I didn't connect as the admin user. So let me change the user and connect again. So let me copy the query, open a new query session on this database. New session, new query window. Now let's execute. So based on the database version that we're using, we can only have a single AZ zone for high availability. So what happens in a single AZ setup is that one Amazon RDS database instance is deployed in an availability zone. So in the multi-AZ configuration, the database instances and storage volumes are deployed across two availability zone. So let's head over to AWS console to see how you can modify your database to a multi-AZ database. Ensure that you're on your RDS dashboard. Select databases. Select the database that you want to change to a multi-AZ cluster. Select modify. Scroll down until you see the section that says availability and durability. So for a multi-AZ deployment, select yes. Scroll down and select continue. For a schedule, apply immediately. So here's a warning informing us of potential performance impact when converting to a multi-AZ. Your database instance can experience significant performance impact during and after converting to a multi-AZ deployment. The impact is greater on DB instances with large amounts of storage and write-intensive workloads. So they do not recommend converting on a production DB instance. Another important thing to note is that before we can modify the database instance, we have to enable automated backups by changing the retention period. So select back, scroll down, and for automated backups, we want to change the retention period to at least 1 day. Select continue, then select modify database instance. Let's refresh. The database instance is being modified. The modification of the instance will take some time because this is recreating the instance at another location. Approximately after an hour and a half, the database state was changed to available. Because this is a managed instance, you don't have to worry about failover because this is automatically taken care of by Amazon RDS. If you plan to delete the high availability group or database mirroring, whichever was created in your case, then you'll simply modify the database and set the feature to off.